Hello, hello, hello. We are back. Just installed Unity and we are ready to start our first project. Go ahead and find Unity on your machine and open it up. I've got a shortcut on the desktop. I'm just going to double click that. Notice there's some tutorials. There's tutorial projects, all kinds of fun stuff in here. We are not going to go into the Learn tab. We could go into the Projects tab, but I think we have no current projects yet, so we'll have to create one from scratch. Got this little Add New up here to create a new project. You need a project name. Now the project name will actually be a folder name also, so think of this project as a folder of a bunch of other things. I'm going to call this My Game because I don't even know what the game's going to be yet. Now the location, I think you should find a good place to organize all your Unity projects. I'm going to, for simplicity's sake, just put it on my desktop. And once I select the folder, it says it's on my desktop, and I get to choose whether I want it to be a 3D or a 2D, or I can use these other templates also, but I'm just going to choose 3D for now. I could also add asset packages. We could do it now, or we could also do it later while we're working on the project. Since I haven't done any previous projects, if I click asset package, there's none listed. If I had done a previous project and imported some packages, then those would show up here, so if I wanted to use them in this project, I could quickly. Let's go ahead and create project now. Alright, there it is. And it's probably going to go ahead and open right up in Unity here. This is my Unity project. We're going to talk about the whole interface and everything you can do in Unity in the next videos. But right now, what I'm going to show you is all the files that were created with this project. If I go into the My Game folder, the only thing that I really touch usually when I'm working on a project, or mostly, is the Assets folder. We are going to be putting a lot of things in the Assets folder. How does that look in Unity? Well, if I come over to Unity and I come down to this window here, the Project window, I can see there's my Assets folder, and it mirrors what's inside of here. So inside the assets, I've got those two files. Here, inside of assets, I only see the scenes folder. That's because the scenes.meta file is a hidden file. You don't need to see it there. But most of the files you put inside the assets folder, you will see in here. So if you bring files directly into Unity, import them, then they will automatically show up in the File Explorer. If you bring files into the File Explorer, then they will automatically show up in Unity. That is all we really need to know about starting your first project.